One of the reasons why we're all talking about the need for passage of the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act now is because of the Supreme Court. So in 2013, the Supreme Court, in a case called Shelby County, basically nullified our ability to use Section 5, this pre-clearance notion of getting DOJ approval before you could change voting laws. What they said was that the rationale, sort of the coverage formula, what they call the formula that was used to determine what states, what jurisdictions must get pre-clearance, was outdated. Now, mind you, this was a law that was passed in 2006 with 98 senators voting for it, no senators voting against it. The second key decision more recently is a case called Brinovich that was issued last year that frankly has made it even harder for us to bring some of these types of discriminatory lawsuits. Basically, the court, I'm going to try to simplify, is saying, well, even if there is some discriminatory impact, that's okay if the state or if the local legislature can justify it in other ways. And it seemed to give great credence to the idea that, the burden on the state makes a difference. So that if the burden on the state is somewhat high, it's okay to discriminate against certain people. So that's the second case that that really caused the need for this voting rights reform. The last one that I'm going to mention, although we're not sure where it's going to go, is a very recent decision that basically said that private litigants can't sue under Section 2. Now, when I say private litigants, that means groups like mine, is that the only people that should be suing for voting rights violations is the Department of Justice. Now, frankly, it's hard enough to have groups like ours file the lawsuits. They require intense amount of staffing, great resources for experts and the like. But to say that we can't do it and only the federal government can do it really starts to change the equation about what these cases look like. And frankly, that's why we're seeing so many new voter oppression laws, voter suppression laws, is because these states where otherwise they would have had to get pre-approval from the Department of Justice could just do it on their own.